Menteri Rangba ke Jela Meghalaya ukonrat kes sangma haringkat Menteri uberi kmi ikatanat kam jungok kai perthai ubak pol lingdo haka khan reutorik unailar arja arpulai kila lait ban play pajba yaki kam penbet penbiang nak benta ki nongwan jungok perthai ke betip kum ke Travelers Nest Shnong Kyiem ke badan hathan mau plang East Khasi Hills District kene ke Travelers Nest ke kenthop santri ki Ïeng basa lembat ke jakabam nak benta ki nongwan jungok kai kumban syukro ba kamau plang kade ke jaka ke bapau nam na ke jingdon ke klau kentang ha ke bagi nongwan jengok kai perthai kismat baha benlet jengok ha kene ngi Menteri Rangba la plat paj ba ru pratli ki kali kit nongwan jengok kai perthai ki belatip kum kit prime tourist vehicles ya kene ke Travelers Nest lasna ha ke jinglot ke ba khandai pusau lak tyngka lyngba ke mang tyngka na ke Meghalayan Age Limited jong ke Meghalaya Rural Tourism Cooperative Federation Limited but ha kene ngi Menteri Rangba ula pli paj ba ru ya ke bio fertilizer unit ha kene ke shnong ke bolong ru ke beningkong ha ke jela
for trial run. In the trial run we found good result, so it has been, when we contacted the machine manufacturers, we got the machines, we got it installed. Now it is ready to run for trial purpose.
How is this technology different from the one in Nandipata? So that is a smaller boat.
Lower quantity of material.
The smile on your face is what they will remember. The kindness that you show towards them, that is what they will keep in their hearts. The kind of courtesy that you show towards them is what they will speak about when they go back home. And I think that is so important that we don't miss that part. And that's where the public and the community comes in. I urge all of you, have awareness programs. Discuss with the village, discuss with each and every one, so that when the tourist comes here, they should go back with a magnificent experience. We want a magnificent Meghalaya. It will be only magnificent if each and every one of us is involved in it, and magnificent if our tourists who come here will have a magnificent experience. Beginning. You are seeing these 5 cottages, it's not going to end here. I have just told Dr. Vijay that there must be a viewing deck made right behind the cottages there. The view will be of the valley will be behind, and I feel it's something that is not incorporated in the current design. But apart from that, I hope that the rest of the area will also develop, and really I hope that local tourists as well as tourists from outside will come. 5 years will be one of the most defining moments for the state of Meghalaya. What we have achieved in the last 50 years, our vision for the next 50 years will be determined on what we do in the next 5 years. And that is the vision with which we are moving forward, but we can't do it alone. Big states, big economies, speak about their model. We hear the Gujarat model, we hear the UP model, we hear the Maharashtra model. I tell people, no state is the same. And hence, if we try to do a Gujarat model in Meghalaya, it won't work. Meghalaya is unique. Meghalaya has got its own strengths, and hence we must realize those strengths, focus on them, and build our economy in a sustainable manner on those strengths that we have. And if somebody were to ask me what is our biggest strength, I'll tell you, the biggest strength of Meghalaya is its communities. The way in the last many decades and centuries, the way our communities and the social structure in the community has upheld and worked and gone through the test of time to reach where we are today is testimony of how strong this institutional setup is. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. So today we have flagged off 8 of these vehicles. As you can see, on a regular basis this is being done, and we want to touch as many as possible, and this is going to be a great source of employment generation, as well as it will fill up the gap. These are all people who have been involved in the tourism sector, but they never got the support in the past. They wanted to start their own services, but finally now they're getting an opportunity. So I hope that with this we will see a change in the overall way in which we'll be able to provide better services to the tourism sector.